In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process in connecting this NG Teco semi-outdoor bullet camera to a mobile phone remotely, so that you can remotely view and control this camera from a mobile phone. Since we would be viewing the camera remotely on the mobile phone, we'll need an internet router, and this router is already plugged and powered, and this is what we'll be using to provide internet service to the camera. This camera receives internet through the Wi-Fi antenna or the provided Ethernet port. So we would use the Ethernet port. So I'll plug up a network cable into the Ethernet port and then plug into any port or LAN port on the router. There is a need to provide power to the camera as well. So here is a DC power supply that I can plug into the DC power port of the camera. And as I do, you realize that power has come into the camera. There is a light here that indicates that power has come into the camera.
Wait for Wi-Fi config.
Once you hear the wait for Wi-Fi config prompt, you will then have to go onto the mobile phone to do the rest of the setup. So let's go onto the mobile phone for the setup. On the mobile phone, you need to download the NG Teco Home app, of which I've already downloaded and installed on my phone. Other than that, you would have to go to Play Store or App Store, depending on the kind of phone you are using, and then you search for NG Teco Home app. So once you get it at Play Store or App Store, you would have to install it on your phone and create your own login account on it. Once you create your account, you can just log into the app. So I have opened up the NG Teco app, which you can see on your screen currently. And to be able to add the camera, you would have to tap on the add device at the middle here, or the addition sign at the top there. Any one of them can be used. So tap on add device, and then what you can see here is that you can see discovering devices. You can see that the app has even found the camera already, and so we can tap on add. Once we tap on add, you can see being added there, and you can see some progress in terms of the addition of the camera. And there's also a voice prompt at the back, as you may hear, about the process of the addition. So you can see that the camera has been successfully added, or you can see added successfully on the app currently. So once we see that, we can just tap on done. When I tap on done, it's trying to load up the camera. So you can see it has retrieved the video. And so this is a live view of the camera that we have just added to the app. Remember, this is a remote view configuration because this is over the internet. We have connected the router as well, and so it is a remote view over the internet. So with this, you have successfully added the camera to your mobile phone. There are many settings that you can carry out. Once you are able to do this, you can carry out the rest of the settings with ease. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find value in this video, please ensure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so you can always be notified anytime we come up with new videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.